Namaste and welcome to 3-Minute Reiki. We're going to begin our practice with several deep cleansing breaths to clear our minds, to align our spines and relax our bodies, and to bless our space. We bless the divine and commend ourselves to the highest truth and the greatest good. We humbly ask to be of service and lovingly accept all guidance and light, healing and love and blessings that we receive. May the divine source rain down upon us with cleansing waters, purify our bodies and our minds and our souls. We give thanks for allowing this practice to go exactly as it should have, and for this session. I thank you for joining me in my practice. May we continue to grow in love and light, serving the divine through service to each other. Love and light to us all.